basically, dirty laundry. The guy was supposed to come yesterday, right, on December 10th. Well, here's the problem. Tuesday, he was here. I think it was Tuesday, wasn't it? It was Tuesday? Yeah, I think it was Tuesday. Well, he was supposed to come Tuesday, right? Try to fix the machine. Not the right part, naturally. Thursday, December 10th, he was supposed to come yesterday, AGP day. Guess what? Ordered the wrong fucking part. So we had to wait another day with no fucking washing machine. Fuck Maytag, they can't make good shit. Actually, they made the best shit in a while, because caloric and all that. So it is Friday, December 11th. We finally, see, this was what we got yesterday. This ain't the right part. This is the correct part. We don't know if it's going to be the same guy, but it might be. So, maybe we'll do hidden camera again. I don't know. Alright, setting you guys back up on the odd rig here. Like 10 feet up in the air, and enjoy it. It's been going for 18 minutes. I just started it and deleted that footage because it was useless.
Alright, let's see if this looks right. You can see what they sent us the first time.
Right there.
I don't think that's even for this washer.
I had no idea what that was.
Yeah. Looks like possibly a dishwasher part.
Okay.
I don't know.
Well, I looked at it and I'm like, yeah, I don't think that's it.
Oh, come on. Yeah. All right.
Oh, that's a welcome sound.
What we want.
That's your spin, yep.
Guess what? Perfect. Doing laundry tonight.
Your laundry. Yeah.
Probably gonna be doing laundry all day tomorrow too.
Yeah, you guys already played paper, rock, scissors just so you can get stuck doing it all?
We're avoiding the argument. He's gonna do it, so not even.
There you go, I'll leave that switch for you too if
Perfect.
you want.
Thank you.
So that I'll take, I don't know if we'll return it or not, but.
Yeah, but we are.
Do you want the invoice for it or not?
No, it won't matter, no. No, all I need is the part number, so.
This camera rig is not ideal, and I don't know why I put myself through it. You guys heard it, right? Look at that. Yeah, well, there you go. And I'm gonna film, maybe. Here we are. The knob sounds different.
It's a different timer.
All right.
Get an 8, please. Why do I smell laundry soap?
I don't know. Cold. We need is if there's an overflow setting.
I'm
That's
not gonna do too long.
oh fuck me. It's fixed.
All right. I need some of this.
See, he uses the all because you know sensitive skin kind. No cup either kind.
I'm free balling it.
Yeah. Oh, you just turned it off. We lost the cup, so
Who lost the cup?
probably you. Don't ask why there's holes in it. That bottle's old.
There's a cup right there.
Oh, we'll use it.
No problem.
We have Downy balls. I don't know why I bought those.
You have done?
I don't even use Downy. I don't use fabric softener, period. First load in the Maytag, and see he wears nice clothes because he matters. And so, yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe and click like if you like what you see, and follow me on the web, wix.com/theelevatorworld/fans. There will be wash videos.